Welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Enhancements. Today we're going to be doing some cleaning up some white wall tires. A lot of people come in and ask us to quote us on white wall tires, and we discount all our tires, so make sure you check us out. Here we have they usually come in blue like this. It's a coating that they put onto the white wall tires, but we're basically using soapy water, and we're gonna illustrate here how we take care of it. And just using a standard scrub brush, and this is before an install.
And it's extremely irritating.
Hey, Rocco just showed up. Hey, Rocco. So I'm going to pause this and we're going to continue. And here we go. We're wiping off the excess blue stuff, and we'll give it another scrubbing with the brush and another. Nobody wants blue wall tires, so we're just getting it done. This, as you can see, is coming out super nice. There's different chemicals you can use, but we don't like to use anything harsh to damage the rubber that's on the white walls. So Panda is inspecting here. Say hi, Panda. Hey, wagging your tail.
Yep.
And there you go, nice final cleanup. And we'll be ready for install. There you have it, folks. Look us up, motorcycleenhancements.com, and our Facebook page, Motorcycle Enhancements. You can follow our projects. Give us a big like down below, and we accept all your comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.